This is the best Riveter class setup you're going to find on Call of Duty at the moment. Stick around for the loadout. It's going to be at the end of the video and I hope you enjoy. Leave a like and subscribe down below because it massively helps me out. And enjoy the video. Peace out. On your side, by blue. Sorry.
Oh, I was looked at. Fuck!
Right? Oh.
Let's get out
Fucking shotgun.
Ow!
Out there, Joe. One down below, one on top. It's been freaking very nice. Anyone on your side? Oh, no. Green side.
It was. I really don't like that you put the black mark on
there. Yeah, I know what you mean. You hold it on, don't you?
Yeah, you just no. It's just there. It's like, oh, I've got it on now. So for fuck's sake, I barely see. I saw him as soon as he shot me. Got someone dropping in behind you, but oh no, it's right, it's fine.
I keep thinking you're green.
Oh, I thought you were I thought I was with you. I'm not with you. I'm with another guy.
I take the mortar.
Oh, I knew it! I fucking knew it! This thing.
You're alright, I'll go there.
It's like, I want to cruise every time I keep getting shot in the back of the side. Got a reinforcement something?
Reinforcement flare.
It's like a field upgrade.
Yeah, it's a reinforcement. That's a redeploy, so it respawns. If someone's dead, it respawns them. It's like a flare.
What do you think?
Quite the weapon.
Dig well underneath. Just brought the mate back.
I'm stuck. On me.
Where are these shots coming from?
Whoa.
One behind here.
Cover. Got one down behind there.
Oh, fuck.
It's down to 10. Win this thing.
That's the last. That's the last two then.
Nobody get me.
I didn't realise you were down, mate.
Oh.
They're gonna be underground.
Yeah, the people were someone earlier. They're gonna have to come up eventually. So there's only what, 2 ways up in them? Only one way.
Didn't know if I- oh. Yeah, let's go!
Let's go.
18 boy!
Okay, let's go.
So the RIVETER is one of the most annoying weapons in the game right now. Trust me, You're going to love this loadout. If you can't beat them, join them. So the class setup we've got so far for the Riveter, we've got the Bryson choke, the Draven 20 long barrel, the .410 gauge incendiary rounds, the 30 round mag, and the light tactical stock. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like and subscribe, and I hope to see you back in the next one. Peace out.